Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm here today with a wonderful video on how to prepare antibiotics for our poultry farms. But first of all, we are going to look at the benefits. I'm going to look at the benefits and how to prepare these antibiotics with just two ingredients. We're going to look at some of the benefits. Some of the benefits of papaya leaves offer several benefits for poultry farm, including boosting immunity, improving meat quality, enhancing egg production, and potentially acting as a natural dewormer and anticoccidial agent, aiding in the prevention of common poultry diseases. And another benefit of garlic. Benefits of garlic. Garlic can offer several benefits for poultry health and growth, including boosting the immune system, reducing manure odors, stimulating appetite in underweight chickens, and potentially acting as a natural antimicrobial and antiparasitic agent. So, having seen the benefits, why not try this antibiotics? Something that you can do it by yourself. Why not try it? All what you need to do is to get your garlic. Get your garlic and get your papaya leaves. This is my already washed papaya leaves. You can use this method either by pounding or by blending. You have seen I first of all started with pounding garlic, then followed by papaya leaves. So you can prepare antibiotics with these two organic ingredients. You have to pound it very well. So you have to pound your garlic and papaya leaves very well. Remember, we are preparing organic antibiotics for our poultry farm. Be it broilers or layers, you can use this for layers and you can equally use it for broilers. So I'm done pounding my papaya leaves and garlic. The next thing I'm going to do is to add water. Into this 20 liters bucket. So after adding water, I'm going to stir it very well. and then sieve it. So we are going to sieve it so that to allow them drink water freely without any interruption. Why waste your money on chicken medicine if you can prepare this and it will work for you? At least one supposed to try and cut down the expenses. This is what you can get from your backyard. You are going to sieve it. So I'm done sieving the juice, and we are going to serve them the juice. I'm going to serve them the juice, and this is what I normally do. This is what I normally do. I'm going to give them for 5 days in every 2 weeks. 5 days in every 2 weeks. And this, I'm going to serve them in the morning. After they must have finished taking this first one, then I'll continue with fresh water until the next day I prepare another papaya garlic juice and give it to them. So after serving them papaya and garlic juice, the next thing I'm going to do is to serve them those vegetables that I've already sieved. I'm not going to pour them away. I'm going to serve it to them on a tray for them to feed on it. You can see them feeding on it already. So I've made so many videos on how to prepare mango leaves and give it to your birds. Thank you so much.